Greetings and welcome back. Today's episode we're going to be tearing down this engine out of my 1970 International Cub Loboy. I'm also going to reveal why this engine was down on power and this tractor had a hard time cutting grass. Before we toss this into the engine stand, there's a couple of things we'll want to do here on the back of the engine. We're going to remove the oil pump housing cover, and also once we get the flywheel off, there's the rear main seal housing that we'll remove. This flywheel is held on with 4 bolts. It should come off fairly easy. You may have a little bit of rust making it stick, but just a few taps from a rubber mallet and it should come off. This is the C60 engine teardown. It's International Harvester Cub Loboy. There's also variations of this engine in the other Cubs, and I'm not sure what else they used them in, but a couple things about these engines that are a little bit unique is there is no water pump. This model actually even didn't have a starter. You see the provision for it here. It's got a plate over it. The 154s, I keep my model straight here. The 154s, they use a generator or starter motor. So basically, it's dual purpose. It's the starter, and it's also charges the battery. Just going to take this off just to make cleaning the block a bit easier. Some grease from the distributor. There's a grease zert right there to lubricate that, and apparently it's looking like it's coming out the other side. Fleet guard. I've been into this governor housing before. When I first got this engine running, it wanted to way over rev. These things are only supposed to go like 2,000 RPM, and I took the governor off the other engine and put it on this one because the one that was on this one was seized. There it is. So that's your governor. Inside here, this goes through and turns your distributor. Let's see if I get some of this grease up there. There we go. See the bolt now at least. This is a points style ignition system, of course. Slowly. There it is. This engine is just so much grimier. That the other ones, you could eat off of it. It was so clean. This one's filthy. This one was not taken care of very well. Probably all the blow-by that it had didn't help.
He's going to lose yardage on the first play. Nick Scorton with the takedown back at the 23 for a loss of 2. And a gain of 2. Satania dropped immediately. Des Ricks, true freshman Alabama transfer, back up corner, made the hit. Out there. Maybe the defense thought.
I'm kind of surprised. You can still kind of see the line kind of right about there. But I think I figured out why this cylinder didn't have any compression, or was way low. Basically had a rust ring. I thought it was pretty bad. I thought it pretty much was going to mean switching to the other block. I went ahead and I just kind of threw the hone at it real quick to see, and it actually cleaned it up. So maybe okay. Probably need to hit it a little bit more. But none of the others. I was just checking for gouges or anything. So if you can, you should be able to see that pretty good. This block is going to have to be bored to be able to be used. This block right here will have to be bored to be able to be used again. That's where that piston sat with water on top of it from that cracked head, and it just made a bad spot in that cylinder. The hone's not cleaning it up. It's too bad. So I'm going to get the other block up here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow along if you're interested in what's going to happen to this old tractor. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.